Hello everyone, welcome you all to Edu Transmitters. This is Suraya Tasneem. Today we are going to discuss how to write a micro lesson plan in science. Do check out the previous videos. I have already discussed about micro teaching and how to write micro lesson plan of English as well. So let us start. Same as that of English, you need to write your name, date, course title and topic. Again, the academic standards will be different. Okay. If you check the previous video, the academic standards of English will be totally different with that of science. Okay. Here two columns, academic standards and explanation. Then focusing activity. Focusing activity, that is two skills that I have practiced in science, is illustration of examples and skill of questioning. Okay. The topic that I have took in this is adaptations of desert ecosystem. So same as that of English, you need to divide into two columns, content and instructional procedure, and all the information that you're going to explain and that need to be written in the content column, and what all you're going to do steps. Today we are going to discuss about so and so, how you're going to do the mind mapping and brain mapping, that need to be written in the instructional procedure. Closure, in that you need to write how you are going to conclude and what all your students will understand after you explain that particular topic. Who are students over here, guys? Your peer group. You are not going to school for micro teaching. You are doing it in your college itself, in front of the supervisor as well as in front of your peer groups, right? Next comes the evaluation procedure. Evaluation procedure is questions you have framed. Okay. Next is instruction material. I have made an amazing model of this rolling model. In one of the video I'll share with you guys how I have prepared this and how it is the rolling model of adaptations of desert plants. Here I have drawn the diagram over here, and how I have used the blackboard that I have pasted. Notes and comments same as that. Notes, what conclusion of your topic. This is a one more micro lesson plan. Here I have practiced two different skills again, that is skill of explanation and skill of blackboard, same as that of the first, how we have written same. The topic that I have took over here in this is not for breathe, that is air pollution, guys. So about air pollution you need to write in the content then what all your topic is related to. Instruction procedure same. Closure is conclusion of your topic, and evaluation is what all questions you will be asked, same. Instructional material, that is the model. I have prepared a model to explain that air pollution here. So I have drawn a picture. I can't paste the model directly on the paper, right? So I have pasted. You can take the picture of that model and take a printout and you can paste, but I have roughly drawn a diagram on the chart and pasted over here, and I have pasted the pointer. Everything you need to paste, your charts, your models, your duster, pointer, blackboard, everything. Notes and comments, your conclusion of your topic. So this is how you'll write a micro lesson plan for science. That's all for today. If you like the video, make sure to like, guys. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.